Excited.
Now, okay, now she's getting excited. She tried to call these half wigs an ugly hairstyle.
The hair that's under it, the styles that's under the half wig.
I know. All right, so we have your edges straightened out. Let's see how this is about to blend with this body wave half wig. You want to put it on or you want to practice? All right. So I'm going to show you. Yeah, you could look in the mirror. So, all right. So you can see you have 5 wig combs and then you have this one in the back. These straps right here just will make the perimeter tighter, but they're in the slot closest to the end. And you already said it fits good, so we won't adjust that. But you don't have to install all of these combs.
Okay. That's the part I want to learn.
Yeah, go ahead. You want to, yep. Push that to the front. You want to make sure that wig sits right there on that line, that part.
This right here?
The part closest to your hair.
Yeah.
Yep, right there.
And then you said get one of these clips?
Yep, just like one of the teeth.
Just one?
Yeah, just need one. And then probably just do one from the end closest to your ear or something.
Oh, Lord. Oh, do I pull this back?
Yeah, you can pull that
okay.
down. Mm-hmm. Wait, have you worn wigs before? No, like, you used to wear wigs.
Yeah, but
not a half.
It was like no, I have. I got it.
Okay.
I think, yeah.
And then that side. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
That sounds good. Okay.
Yep, and then pull it down here.
Yep, and then you got one comb in the back.
Oh, perfect.
All right. Now I feel like this can come up further. So if you have a comb right there in the center, let's use one of those teeth to pull that up just a little bit.
Like that?
Okay. Yes, like that.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. It feels comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Perfect. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so let's blend this leave out. I mean, honestly, because based on the length of your hair, you really won't have to do much, but brush it into it. Now, based on this length and how this looks, do you want me to cut like around the face, make this shorter or anything? What do you think about the length?
I love the length. And what do you think?
See, I don't know. I know you like a messy look.
I think I just should have. Okay, that was full.
That's better.
Okay, yeah, that's much better. It felt like it was pulled back.
Let me see.
Yeah.
You think this should be a little bit shorter in that, like the bang area? Maybe the shortest piece, like right around your nose?
Yeah, so just frame it for my face. That's what you're saying?
Okay. And the length is okay, though?
I love the length. The length is perfect.
Okay, yeah. It blends really good. Your hair is really black, like you said.
Told you.
Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm going to turn you back this way. All right, so we've put the half wig on. Because her hair is shorter in the front, it's going to be really easy for her to just brush this over to blend. We're going to face frame this front just a little bit, make it a little bit shorter. She's happy with the length. This is 12-inch.
So what do you do now is the body wave, right?
This is body wave. Mm-hmm. And this body wave one will be available
before you cut it.
The end of the month. Yep.
Can you just make sure I put it on the right?
Oh, yeah.
Right there, good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that's on there. All right, so actually, I'm trying to tap my butt in the camera. So what I was saying, this body wave one will be available January 30th. The week of January 26th. Yeah, January 30th. She should wear a bob? Okay, so look, stay on long enough. We're actually about to cut her curly wig, half wig into a bob. But this body wave one, she's going to keep it this length. But it's still nice and short. All right, did that make a difference? Hold on. I think that's good. All right, we'll do a little bit on this side. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay. All right. Do you think I should put any more?
I feel like maybe a little more
Right up
layers
in
here
here?
so it can be full.
Okay.
The way this feel on my head doesn't even feel like I have a wig on.
That's good. So more like it feels
Like a
lightweight.
sew-in. No, that's what I'm saying. That feels light. Like, doesn't feel like...
But sewing gives more tension. So
No,
you think
it
sewing-
feels secure. Like I just
Secure.
got... Does that make sense? Like, with wigs, I almost feel like I have to shift it.
you normally have space in it.
Or maybe it's because the wig is either too small. I don't know, but this fits perfect.
Good. So I'm just going through now to put a little bit more layers in the back. I'm noticing that it's a lot of length right up in here.
Yeah,
So hopefully that gives us a little more volume.
it looked a little in the back. Yeah,
You say it's lifting?
in the back, but that's because you're pulling it.
Yeah, I'm pulling it. So anytime you get your half wigs in the mail, you want to make sure you always go through and trim it, layer it. That's what's going to give it that polished finish and make it look a little more natural. So if you can't cut, definitely find you a stylist for that first install so they can do that for you. And then after that, it's like smooth sailing.
I love it.
It's actually blending with your hair really good.
Told you.
I think, but that's because I went through and like brushed it out.
Oh, okay, because
Like,
it's not shiny and
It's not like that perfect wave.
yeah, I like it.
But this reminds me of what your case tips used to look like after
Right,
it wasn't
exactly.
just done.
Yeah, this is why I like it, and that's why I love my ktips.
Do you think you will ever get K-tips again?
The makeup artist asked me, and I feel if I do, because I really do love that hairstyle, it would be with like the length of my hair would be way longer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
You think it'd be easier to maintain with more length?
I do. I do, because once your hair start growing, my hair was short. It wasn't much to hold on to as it grew.
Did they come out easily?
No,
of the
not really. Towards the end, as my hair was growing, no, not really. But it did get thinner because your hair grew and then my hair was short. So,
Right.
yeah. But other than that, no. But yeah, this does remind me of that. And then I just put a headband on when I go work out.
Exactly. Yeah.
Then I have really cute scarves.
Definitely.
So, yeah. I don't have to put too much heat on my edges.
Okay.
I love it.
Love it. Okay. So
Is it okay that I can?
this is a 12-inch body wave. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even so, even the tuck behind the ear still
Oh, and
looks.
it's so thick and full.
Yes, that's what
That's what I love about it too.
And body wave just naturally is like the strands are finer, so it just takes more hair for it to.
That's why I say
Feel
it feels like a
full.
sew-in, because it's so full. It doesn't, and then my hair line is out.
Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Okay.
I love it.
New personality unlocked. All right, so we're just gonna kind of blend your edges just a little bit to make sure I don't need to do anything else.
And that's because I press the edges.
Yes.
Like this hairstyle will require that, right? Because of the texture.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, she's a girl that does not like to do hair. So this half wig is going to be low maintenance for her.
I like to get my hair done. I just don't like to do my hair.
Right. Love it? Oh, perfect. Nice and simple. We're going for simplicity in 2026, okay?
Got all the hearts.
Love it. All right, so this is half wig 1. We are going to get ready to go into half wig 2, which is a totally different texture, and we're going to cut that shorter. But this is going to be her longer look. Look, so yeah, I like it.
Remember?
Oh, she wanted like this. Just mess it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's the
This
look
is
she's going
perfect.
for. Love it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I'm going to show this camera here. 12-inch body wave.
Oh, I'm looking at the phone.
Oh, yeah. 12-inch body wave, half wig. These will be available January the 30th. And they'll be available in different lengths. So I have on a 16. Mine looks curlier because I took a wand curler and put some curls in it around the face. But I think I want 12-inch because this is a little bit too long. I think I want this
Yeah.
length.
Can I take this off so I can?
Yeah, absolutely. So we can really see it.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
nice. Yeah, I like it. I think most girls are like body wave. Everybody loves body wave.
This is so cute. Do I look much better, Terrell, from when we started?
Approved.
I know, right? This has been a journey. But yeah, I like it.
I love it.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, it gets so in. Like it doesn't look like I just put on a half wig.
Yeah, and it's not like it's flat right here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Almost feel like flatter than the sew-in sometimes. Yeah.
So I think when I'm mentioning sew-in is like the fullness of the
Got
hair.
it. Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it gives a custom wig. Because when I get my hair, when I get a custom wig, it's this full. But
Okay.
if you purchase a wig, it's normally not as full as this, I feel like.
Not as full, and it may not always fit snug too.
Yes.
You normally have a lot of space in it, but this fits really good.
I'm so happy.
All right, what y'all think? Okay.
Sure,
All
let
right.
me on Leslie's beautiful dark complexion.
I know, right? Right.
I might have to start charging to come up here.